Hello, and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum shows strangely bullish action together with Bitcoin. It is very much in line with what the altcoins are doing as well. And it now, is heading, or Ethereum is now heading into that, deeper into the resistance for the B wave. I can already make the case for a 5-wave move to the upside here. But it's still not entirely clear in which particular wave we are. Let me take you through the options here on the lower time frame. Important here for Ethereum is that it actually hit the support area. So I think it's really only Bitcoin that missed the target that I gave on Tuesday, I think it was, by around $50. All the other coins entered their support areas, their trend reversal areas, and indeed reversed. However, Ethereum, Bitcoin, I would have liked them to go a little lower. I mean, maybe that still happens, but for Bitcoin, it's already getting a little bit less likely. But I will focus on that in the Bitcoin video. I did already update in the channel membership about the different scenarios which are now possible for Bitcoin. And Ethereum, actually, there is no change. So for Ethereum, it's like we rallied in 5 waves of the March low. That was a great entry. For whoever wanted to take it. Yeah? We had another entry point here for anybody who wanted to take it. And now we are rallying. Yeah, ideal scenario would for me still would still be for me if we come down a little lower in a C wave. It just would provide another nice entry. I would personally prefer that. The market doesn't need to do it. The market came down in 3 waves. Yeah, Ethereum, the price came down in 3 waves, which always means some kind of a corrective pattern is complete. Would have been ideal to do a shallow B wave and then come down. Now the B wave is starting to get quite strong. And as I said, I can now make a case for 5 waves up. Let me show you. We can count 5 waves up, which always is an indication that the trend has actually, or again, shifted to the upside. I mean, the trend has been up, but from this short-term downtrend back into a short-term uptrend. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 5 waves up now. That would be a bit problematic for a B wave. Yeah, so it certainly shifts probabilities towards a 5-wave move. Yeah, which means we might really be in the 3rd wave. However, what is key is not necessarily the lower degree count, because this is subject to interpretation. What is important are the pivot points. Okay, so the decision points, and the next one we've got here is at 1850. A break above 1850 would indicate with much more clarity that we are indeed in a 3rd wave to $2,000 plus. Let me actually give you an accurate target for that 3rd wave in the event of a breakout. So we can go to the top there, go to the oh, come on, I selected the wrong tool. See, I wasn't already wondering something's off here. Right, so let's do it again. 1, go to the low of the 2. And the target would be, 2,270 for the 3rd wave. So that's sort of the situation in which we are in. So ideally, well, not ideally, but ideally if we push above it, we reach that area, right? And if we stay below the 1849 level, 1850 level, the 1.38 fib retracement. Until then, even though we have 5 waves, but again, that is subject to interpretation. As long as we stay below that level, downside pressure is still there and can send us lower. Yeah. But that's sort of the very clear path here. And as communicated in the last few days and weeks, as long as we stay above 1459, the trend is up, and this 1-2 setup is valid in whatever shape or form. Yeah, best to just trade the pivots, focus on the pivots. Don't be too confused about the lower degree wave count, even though it can really give us a good roadmap. For example, on the way up here, it was great that we had 5 waves up. We were waiting for a pullback. The pullback occurred. Unfortunately, Bitcoin Ethereum was a bit shallow. I would have liked to have additional nice entries, but on many altcoins, we came quite deep into support. So that's, from that point of view, is not a problem. I think everybody's happy that prices are going up. Everybody's hardware wallet values should increase, which is great. And anybody who's got a trading bot running with me should be happy as well. Yeah, and that's my update. Well, actually, I don't have one on ETH. I have one on BTC and some altcoins. But yeah, there is not much more to add at this stage. So these are really the key levels. What I can tell you, though, is due to the 5-wave structure to the upside now, it really takes quite a bit of work now to confirm that we're actually in a C wave. What would need to happen to confirm we're in the C wave? Well, because we have 5 waves up, this move could be again a wave 1, which means we have to drop below the 78.6 retrace of that move to confirm that a C wave has started, and that's the 1650 level, which means we could basically say, due to the 5-wave structure that we can identify, as long as we stay above 1650, the trend is up in this short-term uptrend. Yeah, so that means really a C wave. To confirm the C wave has started, I needed to break below 1650. Do you understand what I mean? We have 5 waves up, so I could count this as the wave 1 maybe of the higher degree wave 3. That means at some point we come down in a wave 2 of 3, and in that wave 2, if we hold 1650, we can get that third wave of a third. But as soon as we get an indication of the top, I will update you with key support. Same situation that we had here, yeah, also for many altcoins. And it only took a day to reach all those targets. So that's sort of the situation we're in with Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.